This is the new Bleu de Chanel L'Exclusif. This is a 60 ml bottle here. So let's open this up and see what it smells like. Let's take a look at the bottle here. It's a nice little bottle. It's really tiny actually. And it is a magnetic cap if you care about that. All right, let's spray this on. Let's see what we get. I'm definitely getting whiffs of it already for sure. So I am getting a citrus note here. I'm definitely getting a lot of woods. It's actually a little peppery too, so there must be some pink pepper or something in here. There is some leather in here as well. It's probably from the labdanum, I believe. Yeah, there's definitely a citrus note here for sure. So first impressions, I would say it smells good. Is it worth $200? That's really gonna depend. So you can probably get a 60 ml, little tiny one like this, a 60 ml for about $200. It's a little steep. It smells good, it smells woody, it smells peppery. It smells a little citrusy, and you also get a little bit of sweet fruitiness. I wouldn't say it's super fruity, but there is a hint of it. And I would imagine probably in the mid, as it starts to develop, I would assume that this is probably going to get a little creamy because of the sandalwood. But damn, it is well blended. Just right now, based on first impressions, I would say that this is coming off as very masculine, very classy, sexy, a little dark. I like this. I do like it, but I think, you know, with a little bit more testing, I'm gonna test this out for the rest of the week, and I should be coming out with my full thoughts, a full review of this. So be on the lookout for that. And that's gonna be my first impressions of Bleu de Chanel L'Exclusif. So far, I think this is pretty good. I do like it. I have to test it out more to really see if it's actually something worth buying. I will let you know my full thoughts, and you guys can take it from there. So till next time, guys, take care.